Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Shopify Metafields using CSV and theme settings step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section from the left sidebar. Search for an app that can help with Metafield management, such as Metafields Guru or Bulk Metafields. Install the chosen app by clicking on the Add App button. Once installed, open the app from your Apps section. In the app, find the option to export Metafields. Select the type of Metafields you want to backup, such as product or collection Metafields. Click the Export button to generate a CSV file. Save the CSV file to your computer for safekeeping. Next, navigate back to your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store in the left sidebar. Click on Themes to access your theme settings. Identify the theme you are currently using. Click on the Actions drop-down menu next to your theme. Select Edit Code to access the theme files. Go to Config and locate the settings_data.json file. Download a copy of the settings_data.json file for backup. Return to the main theme editor and note any custom settings you want to remember. This could include color schemes, layout options, and any modifications you've made. If necessary, copy this information into a separate document for reference. Having saved your Metafields in CSV and theme settings in JSON, you are now prepared for any future changes. Ensure you keep these files stored securely, either on your computer or a cloud storage service. Regularly repeating this backup process will help you maintain an updated backup. This concludes the step-by-step instructions for backing up Shopify Metafields using CSV and theme settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.